The Xiaomi 17 series is still super fresh, but it's 2026, which means that in some months' time, we'll get the Xiaomi 18. A Chinese tech blogger has shared a render of the Xiaomi 18. Xiaomi 18 render leak shows an iPhone 16 Pro lookalike. According to Tipster Digital Chat Station, the Xiaomi 18 will pack a 7,200 mAh battery in China. Past reports have claimed that the Xiaomi 18 will finally receive a periscope telephoto camera. The handset is also tipped to feature a 200MP periscope telephoto camera, an upgrade over the Xiaomi 17. The Xiaomi 18's display size sport a flat 6.4-inch display with a 2K resolution. The Xiaomi 18 will also get an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, wireless charging support, as well as very high dust and water resistance. It's used the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 SoC. Xiaomi may opt for the former for the vanilla model in the line to offset some of the RAM inflation. There's no more information about the Xiaomi 18 so far, but we'll let you know when we find out more about it. We expect it to become official around September. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.